So hey everyone, how you all? Today I will be providing you with top 10 productivity hacks which will help you to boost up your productivity and make your day better and also save your time. So let's begin without any further delay. So my first productivity hack is you should use Chrome browser instead. You should use Brave browser instead of Chrome browser, as Chrome browser comes is from Google. Most of people use Chrome, and it is the most downloaded browser of 2020 also. So I think that many people use Chrome, but you know what, it has many disadvantages. While you are surfing, many ads come and they ruin your experience, and you are busted completely. So what I'm trying to say is that you should use Brave browser. It blocks automatically all the ads, and it also blocks all the ads, plus it also makes your experience better by speed. You know what, Brave browser is very faster than the Chrome browser, so I think that you should use Brave browser. You must use Brave browser, because it helps you to be better as a developer or as a content creator or whatever you are. So this was my first productivity hack you should use, and you will automatically determine the difference between Chrome and the Brave. So my first recommendation is using Brave. So the next productivity hack which I will use is you should use Windows instead of Mac. You should use Macs instead of Windows, as it provides you a better environment and also a better productivity. It is very fast and also makes your day better, and also very fast. The reason behind it is fast because all the hardware, softwares and operating systems are made by Apple, which is a single company. So they are able to make their connections fastly, and the operating system of Apple, which is Mac, is also very optimized for productivity. So you know what, if you are doing gaming, it is not a productive task, but if you are, let's say you are, so don't use Mac, as they are not Valentines, and they will ruin your experience. So the next one productivity hack is you should use paid courses instead of the YouTube playlist, as the YouTube playlists are YouTube has very wide range of content on it, and it becomes very difficult for us to find a particular playlist that suits us best and gives the complete information. So my recommendation is using paid courses on the Udemy and Coursera instead of the YouTube, as they provide you the best, very good information, and also you are able to learn completely from them, as they are top instructors of a particular industry, of a particular skill. So this was my third productivity hack. So let's come to the fourth productivity hack. You should listen to audiobooks instead of reading the paperback books, as the paperback books consume a lot of time, and you can use that time which you use to listen to paperbacks books. Read to paperbacks books, you can use that time to listen to audiobooks and also doing some other task. So it will save you a lot of time, and you will be able to complete your more works in less period of time. So the next productivity hack is you should trick your brain to work fastly. So you know what, you can gamify your life. Like you can do one thing that you can after waking up, you can prepare a sheet on which you write some number of points on completing a task. You will get this number of points, and at the end you can take a reward if you are able to complete all the tasks and get a particular number of points. So by this way your brain will be actively working on all the tasks and you will be able to complete the tasks in more less time. So my next productivity hack is you should create a reward system, which we already discussed. If you complete all the tasks, you should at the end getting a reward. For example, I can say that if I completed all the tasks, then I'll be watching TV for 1 hour, and you can check up, you can write a program exactly. So you can what you can do is you can every day write something on the program and program it for your best productivity, and you can list all the tasks on that program. If you want me to create that program, we can discuss, and you can comment it down. I'll be surely making it. So my next productivity hack is you should use the Pomodoro technique. If you don't know what Pomodoro technique is, in that you have to work for 30 minutes and then take a break of 10 minutes. Again 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 10 minutes. By this your brain will be able to work fastly, as it will remain fresh a whole day as you take breaks. And one thing to be noted here is you should not be watching TV or doing something else, like or you should not be in contact of smart devices, what I am trying to say. And you should go out for a walk of 10 minutes, say, and after that you should do your productive task for 30 minutes. After that you should go for a walk of 10 minutes, or you can do yoga, or you can do exercise, or whatever you want. And the next productivity hack, this was a productivity hack that will be helping you in being fresh. So let's come to the next productivity hack. So next productivity hack is schedule all of your tasks, from a minor one to the very important one. Schedule all of your tasks on a particular sheet of paper, or on a Notion, or on Notepad, wherever you want, but schedule it. As you schedule it, you will get a crystal clear idea of all of your tasks, and you can now take a particular time range and assign all the tasks to that time range. It will help you a lot in being disciplined, and you will be